welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty content each and every week. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure you give this one a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all of my latest uploads. I love to try drugstore makeup, affordable makeup. That is what we're all about here. And today's no different. I'm showing you everything that I picked up from Target. Some things are new, some things are not so new. Some things are just things that I personally already love and just repurchased. So stay tuned and see what I got at Target this week. But before we go ahead and jump right into today's video, I just want to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So as I mentioned, some of the things that I picked up from Target are new to me, but some things are just new, and then some things are just things that I am repurchasing. Let me tell you guys, makeup is getting so expensive, so expensive. So just keep in mind that my whole pile that I have today that I'm going to be sharing have been things that I've accumulated throughout the month, because honestly I cannot afford all of this all at once. So some of these things I did already try out because I've had them for months, but some of these things I just picked up yesterday. Starting off with something that is just a repurchase, I picked up these two e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. Unfortunately, I think I picked up the shade medium, which I think is going to be way too dark for me. I don't know, I'm waiting to see how tan I get once the sun comes out here in New Jersey. It just started coming out like this week, so I'm excited for the warm weather and to see if I could actually use the shade, because like I said, this is a medium and I think usually I'm a light shade in the e.l.f. Halo Glow, so we'll see. And then I picked up the shade Light Pink, and the reason why I picked this up is because if you've seen TikTok all over, like they're doing like pink under eye, and it's supposed to help brighten your under eye, and I feel like lately I've been having like darker under eyes, so I wanted to try out the Light Pink setting powder and see how it looks underneath my eyes, and I am so excited to test this out. TikTok trends have they always have me like trying new things, so I'm excited. And then going off of that like pink under eye, I went ahead and picked up this 5-in-1 concealer, and I picked up the shade 002 because I watched Rose from Rose and Ben, and she said this was a dupe for like the Exia pink color corrector for your under eye. So I was like, all right, I have to try this because I'm not spending, I don't even know how much that color corrector was. I think it was like $30. I don't know. But this was under $10, so I was like, all right, I have to pick it up. So I'm excited to see how this works underneath my eyes, if it actually helps brighten my under eye area, so we'll see. And then next up, I picked up this foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay, and this isn't new. This is, I think, I've been around for a while now, but this is supposed to be like a 30-hour wear foundation, and I need something that is full coverage and matte. I realized as the summertime was coming, I don't really have anything full coverage or anything that is matte. Everything I have is like skin tint or like glowy, dewy foundations. I was like, all right, I definitely need a matte, and I wanted something long lasting, so I've been testing this foundation out, and I actually really like it. It's not too overly matte. It still allows, like, if I were to put a dewy primer underneath this, I feel like my skin still peeks through, and if you go in with a light hand, I feel like this foundation looks really beautiful. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want me to test out this makeup. I personally wasn't planning on it just because like some of this stuff really isn't new. It's just things that I wanted to try, and I figured I'd share my haul with you. But yeah, let me know down below if you're want to know how this makeup works out. And then I got so excited because my Target has Beauty Bakery. This is new to me, okay? Like my Target never had Beauty Bakery, but I saw this and this was pretty affordable. I think this was like $10, which is right around what a normal setting powder costs. I think the e.l.f. ones were $8. So this was just a couple dollars more, and I really wanted to try it out. Unfortunately, I think I got the wrong shade because I opened it up and it is pretty tan for me. It is the shade Plantain, and I'm not that dark, so I might have to go back and exchange this, but I'm excited to try this out. This is a brand I personally never tried out. Maybe I'll go back and buy more of their products, so maybe I'll do like a full face of Beauty Bakery. I don't know, how do we feel about that? Maybe, maybe not, because it is more on the pricier side of drugstore, so I don't know. And then I picked up this brow product. This is the NYX Lift and Snatch, and this is just like a brow tint pen, and I got the shade Espresso, which I think is the darkest shade that they have, and I used it today, like just like on the inner corners of my eyebrows, and I actually really like this. This is great. It looks very natural. It doesn't look like I'm actually like drew in my brows, so I am loving this. I feel like this is just perfect for like a quick do my brows on the go type of feel, even if I wasn't on the go. I actually really like this. Then I picked up the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Lotion, or Glotion. That's Glotion. Okay, I picked up the True Match Lumi Glotion. Just sounds wrong to me. But anyways, I picked this up and I picked up the shade 904. I was looking for the lighter shade because I just felt like this was too dark for me, but I couldn't find any other shade anywhere else. And I've seen this all over TikTok. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Filter Primer, or I don't even know what it's called. But I have been trying this out and let me tell you, it looks beautiful. And if you're my skin complexion, grab this color because it does sheer out, and don't use a lot of it. You really don't need a lot, but it does sheer out and it gives such a nice underglow to your skin underneath your foundation. This plus a tinted moisturizer, chef's kiss. This is perfect. So 10 out of 10 recommend that you pick this up. And then the last thing I got is this hot pink lipstick from Milani. This is the shade Blossom, and I don't know what I was thinking. I was there and I was looking at the nudes and I was about to pick up a nude, and I was like, I always pick up a nude. I have so many nudes at home. So I went bold. I went really bold, and I was like, you know what? This looks like a cute summer shade, so why not? And I picked it up. I don't know. I've heard so many great things about Milani lipsticks, so I'm excited to try this one out and see how this color even looks on me, but I think it would be cute. I think so. But yeah, guys, that is everything that I picked up from Target. As I mentioned, this has been like a growing stockpile for like a couple months now, which is why certain products I was able to like know that I already personally love it. But let me know down below if you want me to continue doing Target hauls or even Walmart hauls. I'm still gonna keep doing Dollar Tree. I'm still gonna keep doing Five Below. I'm still gonna be doing TJ Maxx because those are my jams. I love those stores. But let me know if you want more like drugstore as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And as always, before signing off, I want to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right, guys, bye.